Hi everyone! In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to bulk edit prices on Shopify. I am on the homepage of my Shopify store and I am in admin mode. And over here on the left hand side of the page, I'm going to go down to where it says products. And then from here, I'm going to click on all of my products, select every single one, and then hit bulk edit. And it brings up this page, which is a spreadsheet of all my pricing. So here you can see all of the products I have, and these are all their prices. So I can go down this column and change the prices to whatever I'd like. And this saves you time because you don't have to go into each individual product listing, edit the price there, save that page, go back and do that for all of your products. Here you can just edit your prices, click save, and it will save all of them all at once. So if you need to bulk edit your prices on Shopify, this is an easy way to do it.